My name is Theresa Neal, and I am an interpretive ranger at Tahquamenon Falls State Park. My job is to take people on guided walks and tours of the falls and connect them with nature. We're in a place where it's a beautiful location that draws folks from all over the world. One of the aspects of my job is to just make people feel comfortable in a place that they don't normally visit, or maybe a place they've never been to like it before. Almost every day, all spring, I get a busload of 50 or 60 kids per bus, multiple times throughout the day, that come and experience the upper Tahquamenon Falls. And they'll get a nice guided tour, they'll learn about natural resources, and they get a chance to see Michigan's largest waterfall. The fact that I open someone's eyes to something that they normally wouldn't have seen, and I can feel the energy come off them about what a life-changing experience something might have been, that feeds my soul. Working here and being out in the woods does not deter from the fact that on my free time, I'm probably going to go do a very similar thing. I truly enjoy what our state has to offer, and when I travel around the country and see what other states have, it's good. But then I come home and I'm like, oh, so much better.